Roseville High School band.
Hello everybody, my name's Mayor John Turkin of the City of Roseville, and this is our 33rd annual Big Bird Run, and it gets better and better and more people every year.
Well, we're getting ready for the big 10K here now.
Brendan Martin. I just moved out here from Smithtown, New York. That's on Long Island. I joined the Hanson's team like 2.5 months ago. So this is actually only my second race wearing the Hanson singlet. Just trying to do it some justice. Just a tune-up race before I get nice fall and winter, quick little season going. So this was the first step. It's a cool race. There's a little bridge that goes over 696, I think, and on the way over, it's like, all right, that's not too bad. And on the way back, you're chugging, and it's like Mount Everest. And there's actually some people coming back over from the beginning of the race. So I actually ran into 3 people. I probably seemed angry. I apologize to them. I was just fired up because I was about a mile to go, and you know, race energy. But yeah, sorry guys. But it's a very cool course. That bridge kind of, when I was asking people about the course, that bridge was kind of the defining factor, and it was cool. I've never done that in a race. It's a nice event here. It's pretty warm out and nice day for a race. It's a good November day.
What was your winning time?
I don't know. A little under 31 minutes. I think like 30:49 maybe.
Awesome.
I don't know for sure though. Went out a little too aggressively. I think the first mile, like half or 3/4 of it was with like 20-mile-per-hour wind at my back, and so that kind of helped me along to like a 4:34 first mile, which is a little reckless, but I was just kind of going and got a little caught up in the energy of the race.
Good. Well,
yeah.
Well, congratulations. And what made you come here to Michigan to run with the Hansons?
Tradition. They've got a group of hardworking guys that just get after it every single day, and I just graduated from college in the spring, and I want to keep running because I love it, and this seemed like the best place to go after your marathon dreams, because year in and year out, they put out the best marathoners. They take in guys that aren't NCAA champions and make them into some of the best American marathoners. So I feel like I kind of want to see if I can do it. Just give it everything I have for a few years, and I mean, it's what I love doing, so figured it was the good place to come.
Top female finisher for the 10K. Awesome.
Kelsey Schwartz. The race was really good. It was really windy, but I felt really good. And we went out a little too fast, but I recovered. So I got a better time than last year. Last year I got 38:45, and today I think I got 38. So that's a 20-second PR. Okay, yeah, like going over the bridge, it was so windy. It was crazy. But I felt really good. So.
Is this your second year you've run the Roseville Big Bird Run?
It's the second year I've done the 10K. I've done the 4K a few times when I was younger, but last year I won the 10K, and this is the second year.
Repeat winner.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Now, where are you from?
I'm from Grosse Pointe South.
Oh, senior?
I'm a sophomore.
Sophomore?
Yeah.
So did you run cross country for the school and everything?
Our team just won states last week.
Oh, so how did you do at the state championship?
I got 10th overall, D1.
Oh, so all-stater.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Joe Baldwin from Shelby Township, reporting from the Roseville Big Bird Run. I ran the 10K today. It was actually a nice day. Wind picked up a little bit. So there were a few spots on the course where we, were running into a strong wind, but very small parts of it. So, just trying to get some pacing in today. Yeah, this is Greg Everall. Wanted to get a.
Join us here.
Greg, come here, Greg. This is my buddy Greg Everall from Everall Race Management. Contrary to popular belief, we actually do run races. We don't just put them on. So we all came out here and ran today, and his lovely wife Jenny here, kicked my butt. Say hi, Jenny.
Hi.
So race organizers, race timers do run races, so this is proof of that.